page settings area is different for e-commerce. So your product pages have very different meta information, which you can see on the product settings page here, with things like a gallery of images that will go on the products page, as well as things like a more detailed summary and description, but of course tabs for things like shipping, returns, terms and conditions, and of course options and variants. So you can see here all of the product options for this particular product, and it comes in 2 different sizes, which of course are going to change the price. So we need to see those in the variants, and you can see that price change here between the sizes in the variants. We can also keep track of all the inventory and of course SKU numbers, and indeed a unique QR code for each product variant, which helps for things like help information or unboxing, which is really cool strategies to use. Again, we'll look at the QR codes in just 1 second, because not just every product variant has a QR code, every page on mobile has a QR code too. Next, I'll just show you that you can actually anchor down using the tabs here. So I could go to options, and next we'll look at inventory, where you can see we manage all of the inventory and shipping for this particular product, but we can also go down to more information like widgets that you're familiar with here. And you can see this is the information that displays before you click onto the page. So I could show that this is in the skincare category, for example, but there's other fields here that are different from the normal page settings in the widgets area. So I'll just jump back in here so you can see. We'll go down to widgets. So you can see the slight differences between the normal pages and the product pages. And that brings us on to the next key question that I get, and that is, should the category pages go into the product detail pages? I.e., should this product page be changed from page to product? Well, the answer is no, it should not, and you know the reason why now, don't you? And that's because the product settings are for actual products themselves. So they've got things like galleries, they've got things like pricing, options and variants, and shipping. You do not put a price on a category, you do not ship a category. So the category pages stay in the main pages, they stay in the main pages here, and we actually categorize those and sort them with tags. Now, we're going to go on to tags in the Sunset Talks number 2 tonight. Is me going through in quite a lot of detail, tags and widgets. That's more of a masterclass, so definitely watch that. I'm not going to go into tags in this episode right now. Okay, now it is the same for events as well. Events category pages stay in the pages, the main pages tab. You do not put the main events category pages into events. That's for the events detail pages, which is a similar philosophy to products.